Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of -0.10 and momentum of -0.38 in the stock market, which is notably low compared to our historical baseline. This dip suggests a significant shift in investor sentiment, indicating that your next investment strategy might require a rethink. Our API provides a comprehensive analysis, returning sentiment scores, momentum insights, and even semantic clusters to help you understand the context behind the numbers. With 17 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deep into the specific areas driving this sentiment shift. Imagine using this data to adjust your portfolio in real time, or to create alerts for unusual market conditions. For more technical details, head over to pulsebitlojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this insight to make informed decisions together.